right, camera hog. Camera hog. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to go on a little hike. And we're gonna have a picnic. There's a place called Robbers Cave, not too far away from us.
And we're going to see tigers.
And I hope we don't see tigers. But we've done the hike before, but this time we're gonna bring some lunch to have a picnic. So we're gonna make our lunch first. What kind of lunch do you want?
Peanut butter toast.
You want a peanut butter sandwich? What kind's Daddy gonna have?
We got, what, ham or turkey in there?
Yeah. So we're gonna make some lunches and then get on our way. Ready for a hike?
Sure.
All right, let's go. You ready, little me? Do it. Oh, we're going on a monster hunt? Oh my goodness. So far so good. About 15 minutes into the hike. We're kind of taking a break. Kind of taking a break to let these people pass us because we're going a little bit slower, but you having fun so far?
Yeah.
It's really pretty.
Actually a good way to get him.
Whoa! Mommy should not be vlogging this, but here we are. Alright, taking a little drink break. Are you thirsty?
Yeah.
Yeah? You having fun? Yep. You okay, old man?
It's fine. Shoes are just a little thin for this. You need to get some actual hiking shoes.
We don't have appropriate shoeage. They're just plain old tennis shoes.
I think the word you were looking for was footwear instead of
no, shoeage.
We don't have the proper sewage for this.
Babe. 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 Whew, I'm sweaty. Are you sweaty?
Yeah.
Yeah. We've only been going for like 26 minutes. We're probably about halfway, right?
Yeah, it's about halfway.
Yeah. It took us about an hour last time.
And that's about an hour last time.
Yep. About done with that juice? Do you feel rehydrated? Mr. Snake. We made it down. Slow down, Bubs. Alright, we are back in the car from the hike. It took us like just over an hour and it's pretty fun. Did you have fun, Bubs? Yeah?
Yeah.
Is he with his juice?
Yeah, he's rehydrating. There's a lot more people here than the last time we came. And I felt like it was hotter than last time, even though we came in July. He says it was about the same, but there was no breeze today, so it was hot. Anyways,
It's temperature-wise, it's cooler.
yeah, there's no breeze. Yes, we saw spiders and lizards and a snake, a little snake at the end, right? Yep. Cool.
I told him Mr. Snake.
Yeah, you called him Mr. Snake. Now we're gonna go try to find a picnic table to eat our lunch. There was one over there, but we're gonna try to do one by the lake. So, are you ready for lunch?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who's ready for a picnic?
Me. A picnic.
Woohoo. So I found some picnic tables that are by the lake, and there's some duckies out there.
Yeah.
And we're getting all our food out. They are real ducks, in case you were wondering. Real ducks. So we got Bubba's Chex Mix, Mommy some Doritos and pretzels.
They're coming this way.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
The ducks are coming this way.
The ducks are coming. They knew we had food. Get it.
Oh, I know where it was. They're them away.
You're gonna be a werewolf and scare them away?
We don't need to scare them away. They're just coming over to see if they can bum some food.
So, hey, you got
It's
some
like,
food?
I see those Doritos.
I don't get them.
Careful, Bubs, not by the water, Lincoln. Too close, thank you. Yes, he fed pretty much all of his Chex Mix to the duckies. So, we're done with our picnic now. At least some of us ate. Others were chasing ducks and feeding them and giving me a freaking heart attack every time he walked right up to the water to throw the food in. Was I yelling at you?
Yeah.
Did not fall in the water?
No.
Yeah, you were making Mommy nervous. Yeah, like that. What did I look like? When you got close to the water, what did I look like?
I don't know.
What did Mommy look like?
Angry.
Angry. I wasn't angry. I was just scared. Because I didn't want to have to pull you out of the lake. Anyways, we're about to go home and probably just hang out the rest of the day. But thanks for coming along on our hike and our picnic with us. Can you say make sure to subscribe? Yeah.
Hit the bell button.
Yep. Thumbs up. That's a thumbs down. There you go. Thumbs up. Say we'll see you next time. Bye.